How to unsubscribe everyone on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can unsubscribe everyone on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. Then tap onto the stories icon at the bottom right. As you do so, all of your friends and all of their stories will be visible here. Now tap onto three-dot icon on your top right. Then tap on manage accounts I follow. Then here tap onto edit icon on your top right. Just tap onto the wrong icon and tap onto yes. Do the same for all. Just like so, this is how you can remove or unsubscribe accounts on your Snapchat. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.